Worthless. Wake up. Just wake up. Wake up.
So I want to talk about those little voices inside your head that a lot of people have. Apparently some people don't have them, which I find absolutely insane. But as you can tell in the video, that's my representation of what the voices can sometimes sound like. I find that I'm often having a sort of inner battle with my own monologue. Sometimes the monologue can be great, or sometimes it can be really negative. Often the thoughts come out of nowhere and I can't control them. But what I can control is what I choose to listen to. So I'll give you an example. When you have BPD, emotions obviously run very high and they come in very intensely and very quickly. And often I find that those emotional feelings will dictate how my inner monologue is going, or my inner monologue will actually dictate what I'm feeling. The more that you are able to be in control of that inner monologue, the better your emotional regulation will become. So where I am today, where I'm relatively positive and feeling quite happy, I'm constantly trying to say to myself positive things and push myself with that internal monologue. To give you an example, if I really, really do not want to go to the gym, well, my internal monologue is saying, you don't want to go to the gym, you want to sit at home, you want to be comfy, you want to chill, you want to eat some chocolate, you want to do whatever. Often that is my emotional brain that's actually thinking that. Whereas my logical brain is saying, no, go to the gym because you know it makes you feel better even if it's hard. And that's the thing, even when it's hard, my logical brain, which I feel is almost like the little angel on my shoulder, I know that I've spoken about that before, My logical brain will tell me to do the difficult things rather than the little devil on my shoulder telling me to take it easy. Now, they will have a battle for a while. And sometimes, I might deliberate about going to the gym for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. But if in the end I manage to conquer that emotional brain telling me, no, don't go, just stay in, and manage to get out there and do it, often I'm rewarded with dopamine and good positive feelings because I've done the thing that I didn't want to do. Now, using those same principles, if you're in a very emotionally distressing environment, maybe you're feeling very anxious or something like that, your brain is probably screaming at you, that little devil on your shoulder saying, get out, leave, you don't want to be here, or I don't want to be here. It may also be saying things like, cause yourself harm, you deserve this, you're a horrible person, etc., etc. And it can really go on this sporadic, random, negative path, which is uncontrollable. When those thoughts are coming into your brain, You're not choosing to have negative thoughts. They are just coming to you from somewhere, I don't know, the universe, wherever it may be.
Hey, you should feel like ass.
But you, as an individual, have the opportunity to counteract those thoughts, like I did in the short video that I put at the start. You know, I'm not deserving of love. Well, then that thought has come out of the abyss. It's come out of nowhere. So I counteract that by me thinking and actively trying to think, no, I do deserve love. And then it might come back with me, no, you don't deserve love, you're ugly, you're worthless, whatever it may be, these negative things. But as long as I always counteract those and actively try to battle them, as long as I always have the final word, well, then I'm on top and I'm winning. And it's really, really helped me. You know, it's not applicable to every situation. Sometimes some emotional feelings might be too thick and strong, but you always have that ability to try. And trying is so much better than just letting it be. Because if you was to let it be, it just gets worse. And you start believing these negative thoughts, which often aren't true. You know, often they're based on anxiety or other feelings that have dictated this way upon you feel. You know, maybe it's comparing yourself to other people on social media or whatever it may be. But you have that opportunity to try and battle it. And I would always encourage you to do so, because, you know, that's where the mental health starts getting better. And that's what we need. That's what everybody needs is positive mental health, so that you can be the best version of yourself and you can keep on growing as a person. So battle those internal monologues, those negative internal monologues, with positivity. And you know that you have the capability of doing it, because anybody has the capability of thinking. That's all that it requires. It's just thinking. You know, even positive affirmations, speaking it out loud. You might even feel embarrassed, even doing it to yourself. Sometimes I do. But I still do it anyway, because it's my emotional brain that is telling me, no, that's silly, that's stupid. Why would anybody do that? It's so embarrassing. Like, what kind of person am I? No, that's emotional brain thinking. Logical brain is saying, do the best that you damn can. And if the best that you can do is speak out loud some positive affirmations to yourself, or think some positive affirmations to yourself, then why not? You know, what is there to lose? And the aim of the game is to feel better and to get better and to get healthier. And I will be completely honest, when I was younger, I was such a highly fueled emotional mess. I would listen to those negative thoughts, and they dictated how my life went. Those negative thoughts are the reason why I ended up trying to kill myself. Those negative thoughts are the reason why I didn't go to therapy. Those negative thoughts are the reason why I would just sit at home and do nothing and just waste away and feel like I was worthless. But the positive thoughts that have always been within me, and I've always been capable of having and using, they're what fixed me. And it required next to nothing, so little effort. So I encourage you to attempt to battle those negative thoughts and feelings that come in from anywhere. Battle them actively with positive thoughts. And maybe together we can all feel a little bit happier. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the little film at the start. I enjoyed making it. It was literally just a sporadic thing. I just wanted to play, be creative. If you like the video, please do hit the subscribe button, because every little click really, really does help. It makes a huge difference to the channel, and hopefully we can grow and we can help other people with borderline personality disorder, or people who know people with borderline personality disorder, and we can all learn about this mental health issue together and better it and become better people. Leave a comment down below if you can relate to any of these things. I would love to hear your thoughts. Hit that like button as well. Again, every little click helps. I shall see you in the next.